Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. We are officially decorating for spring. So we'll be starting in the entryway because I like to start at the beginning of the home and work my way to the back. I wanted to do something a little different, so I'm going to start off with my larger vase and I'm going to keep that empty. Then I'm going on the side of it with a smaller vase, and that is where I'm going to do my flower arrangement. If you guys are not new here, then you know I like to start off my flower arrangements with a leafy base, and this stem right here is my favorite. I don't know what it is, but I've been loving this so far until I guess I find something new. This is or has been my go-to to start off my arrangements. I'm just going to double up on it just to give it a fuller look, and as you guys saw, I fold all of the stems upward towards that little base just to make it seem like it's more than two stems. Next, I'm going to go in with my hydrangea stems. These look exactly like my hydrangeas that I have. They're the Annabelle, I think, hydrangeas. These look exactly like it. I love that yellowish, greenish hue that it gives off instead of a stark white. So I'm adding that to the vase. Then I'm going to go in with a few peonies. Is it peony or is it peonies? I have no idea how to pronounce that. Help me down below, correct me please. I'm gonna go in with a few of those, and that is going to be the final look of my floral arrangement. Next to my floral arrangements, I'm going to add a stack of books. I'm going to go in with two of my white larger coffee table books, and then on top of that I'm going in with a smaller white book just to give it an illusion that there is a centerpiece on top of the books. Then behind that I'm going to add one of my paintings because I want to keep that greenish and white, more earthy tones for the entryway. Moving right along to my hutch, I'm also keeping that earthy tone. I'm starting off with a stack of books, one brown and one black, because you guys know I love to decorate with books. Next, I'm going to be adding my smaller painting that I created, as well as a faux plant. And the main inspiration for the look of this hutch is my larger picture or painting that I have on the wall in the entryway. So those are the colors I'm kind of playing off of. For my second shelf, I really wanted a vessel moment, so I literally scavenged my home and collected all of my brown vases and vessels or pots, and I just added them to this shelf, and I absolutely love the way that it came together. It looks so cute and so chic. It's definitely something different for me, but I am loving it. For my third shelf, keeping that exact same color scheme and also playing off of the shades of brown in the larger pot, I'm going in with another stack of books on the opposite side of the first stack from the top shelf. Then I'm going to add next to that another faux plant that I always had in my home. And then for my last shelf, I'm adding in this checkerboard set that my husband has had forever that he hardly ever used. And I feel like this fit the look perfectly. I absolutely love the way that my hutch came together. And then for our bench area, and the painting that I was referring to is the same large painting above the bench area that I DIY'd. I want to say maybe 2 years ago. I think so. I'm not too sure. But anyways, I DIY'd this art, and that is really the color scheme that I was playing off of for my hutch. But anyways, for the bench, I thought I wanted a like cream or brown pillowcase cover, but I really didn't like how it looks, so I changed that out and I went for the black instead, and I really feel that that complemented the bench much more. This is the second bench for our bedroom that we do not use, so I thought why not use it in the entryway until I find one that I absolutely love for this space. Let me know what you guys think, the brown pillow covers or the black one for the bench. I really feel like the black was perfect, but you guys let me know. This is how the entryway came together. Now let's move on to the living room so we can add some spring touches to that space as well. Let me know what you guys think about the entryway, the table, the hutch, the seating area, or should I say our put on your shoes area. Let me know what you guys think about how everything came together. Here is how the living room is looking, absolutely bare and nothing on the tabletops. So let's go ahead and fix that, okay? Starting off with my coffee table, I'm going to add this really large round vase that's clear but has a bluish turquoise kind of color to it. I absolutely love it. It's really pretty. To that, I'm going to start off with my base, which of course is some leafy stems. I'm going to add that. Then I'm going in with these white long stems. I don't know the name of them and I can't recall there being a name on the tag when I bought them. Not too sure. But I'm going to add these and just fill out the vase until I feel like I have enough inside it. I think I added about 5 or 6 stems of these flowers to this vase. Next, I'll be going in with some more leafy stems. I'm going to add a very fine leaf stem that I don't recall the name of, as well as some eucalyptus stems, just a few of them to fill it out and add a little bit more greenery to the vase. After adding some more of my greenery, I'm going in with some more of my peonies or peonies that I also have in the entryway. So I'm trying to make sure that whatever is in the entryway, that I'm also adding some of that inside the living room to just tie the looks together. So I'm going to add a few of the peonies to this vase as well, and that is going to be the final look of this vase or this floral arrangement. For the rest of my coffee table decor, I'm going in with a lot of coffee table books. It would not be a house of R.Lateish if we didn't add a lot of coffee table books. So to both ends, I'm going to add a stack of books, and then to the center, I'm going to add one open to a pretty page. Next, I'm going to add a small plate with my candle on top, and instead of putting the candle inside the candle holder, I'm going to add the candle holder on top of the candle. Next, I'm going to add my coasters, and on top of this set of books, I'm just adding my matchsticks with my match holder, some little bunnies, and a basket. To my bar area or my buffet slash credenza area, I'm going in with this really large beautiful vessel that is making me just reconsider the entire look of my home. Like, no kidding, I literally want to change the color of everything now and get rid of all of my black. It is crazy. Anyways, to that vase, I'm going to add in a lot of these long flowy white stems. I think I added about 5 of them. Then I'm going to go in with some of the cherry blossoms, and I think I also added about 5 of those stems as well. Let me know if you guys think I should add some greenery to it, because I think it needs a touch of green. I don't know, but I just feel like it's too sterile. But let me know what you guys think. Leave it as is or add some green stems. Let me know what you guys think. So after getting that vase as full as I would have liked to have it, moving right along to the center of my buffet, I'm going to add in our new record player. Hubby's old record player went bad, so he decided to buy a new one, and I just felt that it was fitting to add that to the bar area, because bar music, it just makes sense, right? Now to add the bar to our bar area of our buffet, I'm going to go in with my wine rack with some wine on top of it. Then next to that, I'm adding our liqueur. Then I'm going to be adding our cocktail mixer. I'm actually still looking for the stand for a cocktail mixer. So if you guys have any recommendations, the stand that does not come with the equipment, then please help your girl out and let me know down below where I can find it, because I cannot find any on Amazon or in any stores, which I find really weird. So if you guys know of any, please help your girl out. Thank you so much. So this is the final look of the living room as well. Let me know if you guys want to see what I did with the kitchen area. I kept it really simple. I didn't add much to my kitchen area because you guys know my kitchen is really small, okay? So I try not to clutter her. I like her to stay as free and as open as possible, so I'm able to work in there comfortably. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. Also comment down below, because you guys know I love chatting it up with you guys. If you have not subscribed, please do consider subscribing, and I will see y'all in my next video. So until then, auf Wiedersehen.